Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenido a la familia loca de Linden. Alrighty guys, today I'm going to show you how I clean up my brows when you don't, have the money to go and get them redone. Sometimes we don't have that money, so then you just want to clean them up yourself. So you can go upon your day and not have funky brows. Alrighty, so right here I have my little mirror that my mommy gave me. And I am gonna go right in. You just want to follow, okay, like here to this side. Okay, you just want to go ahead and follow all this first hair that you see that are not right there on your, where your brow starts, so in the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start plucking them. I usually like to do this right after I get out of the shower because your pores are open, so it hurts less. Sorry, I thought I saw somebody walking outside. So it hurts less, so that's what I do, but today I waited a little. I had to go run a couple errands real quick, but I wanted to film this and get this out for you, so that's why I didn't do anything. So you want to just get in there. I'm gonna try and come in so you guys can take a close look. So I just like to go in and just take the hairs. Okay guys, once you're done with plucking them all the excess hairs that you see, try to get as many as you can, but then don't go overboard. Trust me, you do not want to go overboard. I saw one, but I lost it. I usually just follow that, and whatever I see that's too close to the line, I won't even touch it. I won't even touch it because I do not want to risk it. So that's what I do. My tweezers, if you are wondering, are from the Tweezer Man. I got them at Target. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows with my usual, let me put you guys a little back, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I want you guys to see something. It is very dry right now. Look at that. It's so dry, like, oh, not too bad, but it's really dry, and I want to show you guys what I use to make this all better. Okay guys, I have two products that I want to show you here that I use to liven up my dip brow. This one, I don't use it that much for that, but I will, like, if I don't want to get up and go get the other one. But it's the Farsali oil that I got. I don't really like to use it in it, not because it's not good, because I don't want to waste it in that, It's a face oil, so that's what I want to use it for all the time. But what I love putting in it is the Inglot Duraline. Yeah, Inglot Duraline oil. Now this is not a face oil. This is to revitalize your makeup product. So that's why I prefer this one, but either oil will work. And I just grab a little bit. I don't even grab a lot. And then I go ahead and I dump 1, 2, 3. There you go. I dump 3 in there. So you can see it in there. See? Okay, and then I'll mix my brush in that. Make sure that it gets in there. And it literally, revitalizes it. Woo! This is awesome. This one is always more arched than this one. I hate that, but sisters, not twins. And then right here, guys, there's always a little bit extra product, well, with me. So I just like to brush that up. On both sides. Gives it more of a realistic version, I want to say. And you go ahead and you spoolie them through. And we go ahead with the concealer and conceal whatever you missed it. Now we go ahead with the concealer. So for my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX. Whoop. Get that in focus right there. And this is in beige. And I'm going to go ahead and correct my brows. I messed up right here. I took too much. So I'll just go ahead and dip back into my dip brow. And you could spoolie. You get to take some of the axes off. And then go back in with your brush. There you go. Brows, girls, take so much practice. I've been doing them for so long and I still can't always get them perfectly. Sometimes I'm not even trying and they come out so good. And sometimes I am trying and they don't come out. So you just gotta give it patience and just try your best. I mean, it's makeup. You can take it off and put it back on. Trust me, I've done that plenty of times. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my little Real Techniques blender thing. And I'm going to wet it with my setting spray. And I'm going to go ahead and push the product in. These little brushes come in handy. I mean sponges, sorry. Come in handy. I love them so much. I don't know why it took so long to actually get one. Alright guys, this is the end. My eyebrows, my little eyebrow tutorial. I think they look pretty damn good to me. Some people are not gonna like them, but I think they're better than most days. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.